Class 9 Sanskrit, Chapter number 13, Drishtiya Gograham Swantam. Luckily, the season of cows ended happily. We have already seen first and second part of the same chapter, which is already linked into the description. Now let us start the remaining lesson in detail. Previously we have seen that Abhimanyu is in the court of King Virata, and now the conversation took place between Abhimanyu, that King Virat, and Dhihandana. Abhimanyu says, "Ah, Kashya Maharajava. Ah, Kashya Maharajava." Kashya means whose and Maharaj means king. Ah, whose king? Dronala says, "Nana Brahmanena Sahasti." Nana Brahmanena Sahasti. Na means no and Brahmanena means with a Brahmin and Sahaste. Sahaste means the one who is sitting. Sahaste. So Brahmanena Sahaste. No, he is sitting with a Brahmin. Abhimanyu Brahmane Neti. Brahmane Neti means to that Brahmin. Upagamya. He approached there, he goes there. Bhagwan Abhivadaye. Bhagwan Abhivadaye. O Lord, here I am going down to you. Bhagwan means Brahman. Ehi Vatsa. Come on, child. Abhimanyu says, Anugruhitaha asmi. Anugruhitaha asmi. See, Abhimanyu says that I am obliged. I am obliged. See the word meaning. Means Kashya means whose. Maharaja means king. And Brahmanena Sahaste. Brahmanena Sahaste. With a Brahmin. Sahaste means is sitting. Is sitting. Upagamya. Approaching. Bhagavan. Lord. Abhivadaye. Means I go down to you. Ehi Vatsa. Come, child. Come, child. Or come on, child. Anugruhitaha asmi. Come on, child. I am obliged. Here we can see that when Abhimanyu is coming in King Virata's court, then Dhihandana says that here is your majesty and may Abhimanyu approach. So when he is introducing, she is introducing, Dhihandana is introducing king to Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu says, who's king? Who's king? And further he says that Dhihandana thinks he did not recognize, so he says, no, he is sitting with a Brahmin. Abhimanyu goes towards that Brahmin. He approaches towards the Brahmin and says that, Lord, here I am going down to you. Then Brahmin says that, come on child, come on. Abhimanyu says, I am obliged. Raja, ehi ehi putra. Although Abhimanyu he is not giving respect to king, he is not going down to that king, but then also king is telling to Abhimanyu, ehi ehi putra, come on son, come. Atmagatam. Atmagatam means in his mind. Katham mam na abhivadayati. Katham, why? Mam means to me. Na abhivadayati. Abhivadana means go down, and na abhivadayati means did not go down or does not going down. So although Abhimanyu is not giving respect to the king, but king is calling Abhimanyu, he says that, come on son, come. And further he says that in his mind he thinks that, how is it that he is not going down to me? King is thinking that why he did not go down to me, he go down to the Brahmin, but why he is not going down to me? Aho utsikah. Aho utsikah. Then he thinks that, oh, he is having proud. Really he is having proud to in himself. Aho utsikah khalu ayam kshatriya kumar. This kshatriya prince, khalu kshatriya prince, indeed this kshatriya prince is indeed impudent or having crown in himself. Ahamasya, of his ego, of his proud. Darpa prashamanam karomi, I shall subdue his pride. See, here Abhimanyu is arrogantly behaving with king. He is not giving respect to the king. He is not going down to the king. What he did? King is there, but then also what he did? He goes towards that Brahmin and says that, oh Brahmin, I go down to you. But he did not give respect to the king. So king thinks that why he did like this? Why he is not going to me, going down to me? But then also he welcomes him. King welcomes Abhimanyu and says that, how is it that he is not going down to me? He thinks like this, and further he thinks that this Kshatriya Kumar or Kshatriya prince is indeed having proud. So I shall break his proud, or I shall subdue his proud. Then he asks only one question. The king is asking one question. Athava kenayam gruhitam. Kenayam gruhitam, by whom? And gruhita means captured. Now by whom this is captured? Who has captured him? So whatever proud Abhimanyu is having on himself, it is subdued. So let me see the word meaning. Atmagatam. Atmagatam means to himself. Atmagatam, to himself. Katham, how or why. Mam, to me. Na abhivadayati. Is not going down. Why he is not going down to me? Aho utsikah. Utsikta. Utsikta, proud. Ayam Kshatriya Kumar, this Kshatriya prince. Ahamasya. Ahamasya means I shall. Ahamasya darpa prashamanam. करोमि, I shall. अहमस्य दर्प प्रशमनं करोमि. Sorry. Here I shall and ahamashya means of pride. Of pride. अथ केनाय by whom गृहीतः means captured. So Abhimanyu is in the court of King Virata. Brihannala says, "Here is your majesty, and may your majesty be victorious." Abhimanyu says, "Ah, whose majesty?" Brihannala says, "No, no, he is sitting with a Brahmin." Abhimanyu says to the Brahmin, he approached to the Brahmin, "Lord, here I am going down to you." Then Brahmin says that, "Come on, child, come." Abhimanyu says, "I am obliged." Then Raja, although Abhimanyu is not giving respect to the king, Raja king is giving respect. He is welcoming Abhimanyu by saying that, "Come on, son, come." But in his mind, he is thinking that, how is it that he is not going down to me? This Kshatriya Kumar is indeed having proud on himself. So I shall subdue his proud. And further he asks a question, by whom was this captured? Bhimsen says, "Maharaj, Maya Vallabhena." Then Bhim says that, "Maharaj, Maya Vallabhena." O king, or O your majesty, by me, Vallav, I have captured him. Abhimanyu says, "Asastrena iti katyatam." Asastrena iti katyatam says that, "Let it be told by you that I am without weapon at that time. Let it be told by you that you were not carrying any weapon." So when Vallav means Bhim is telling that I have captured that Abhimanyu, then Abhimanyu says that you must tell that you came without any weapon at that time. Bhimsen says, "Shantam Papam." Shantam Papam means God forbid. Sahajo me prahanam bhujo. Sahajo. Sahajo means born with me. Praharanam. Praharanam means weapon. And bhuja. Bhuja means arms. So when Abhimanyu is telling that, tell that you came without any weapon, that also you must tell. Then Bhim says that, God forbid, cool down, my arms are my natural weapon. My arms are my natural weapon. Dhanuhatu durbale guhyate. Dhanur means bow and arrow. Durbal means weak, and gruhyate means carry. So a bow is carried by the weak people like you. Abhimanyu says that, "Kim bhavana mama madhyama tatah yah tatulyam vadati." Kim bhavana mama madhyama tatah. Mama means my, madhyam tatah means middle father. Yah like tatulyam. Tatulyam like him. Vadati. Vadati means speak. Are you my middle father? When Bhim told that, God forbid, my arms are my natural weapons and a bow is carried by a weak person or a weak person. So after listening these words, Abhimanyu says that, "Are you my middle father who speaks like this? Are you my middle father who speaks like this only?" Raja Putra Kaha ayam madhyam namah. Putra Kaha ayam madhyam namah. Son, who is indeed this the middle one? Who is your middle father? Now let me see the word meaning. Asastrena means without weapon, katyatam. Let it be told. Katyatam means let it be told. God forbid. Sahajog means go on with me. Praharan. Praharan means natural or sorry weapon. Bhuja arms and Danuha a bow. Durbale a big group here. Carry. Group means carry. Then मध्यम तात है. ततुल्य means like him. Vadati means to speak. Shruyatam Shruyatam means listen. Panchitvam anayatam and anayatam means kill. So here we can see that Abhimanyu is captured, he is presented in King Virata's court. Now King Virata asked a question that by whom he is captured, by whom this is captured. Then Ballab, Bhim is telling that by me, Ballab, he is captured. So Abhimanyu says that then let it be told by you that you came without any weapon or who were not carrying any weapon. So Bhim says, God forbid, my hands are my natural weapons. My hands are my natural weapons, and a bow is carried by a wicked person. A bow is carried by the wicked persons. Abhimanyu says, are you my middle father? Are you my middle father who speaks like you? Then Raja says, son, who is your middle father? Who is this middle one? Then Abhimanyu says, Shruyatam means listen. Yah khalu jarasandham panchitvam anayata saha. He who indeed killed Jarasandha. He who indeed killed Jarasandha is my middle father. Tatah pravishati uttarah. Tatah pravishati uttarah. Then enters Uttar. Uttar. Tatah abhivadaya. Tatah abhivadaya. Tatah means father and abhivadaya means I go down. Father, I go down to you. So here we can see now enters to Uttar. Who is Uttar? Uttar is a son of King Virata. So after coming in the court, he says that Father, I go down to you. Raja, Ayushman Bhava Putraha. Son, may you live long. Son, may you live long. Abhi Pujita Krut Karmana Yuddha. Api Pujita Krut Karmana Yuddha are the soldiers who perform heroic deeds, honored well. Pujita means worship. Pujita means worship or honor. Krut karman. Krut karman means the one who has did heroic deeds. Yodha. Yodha means soldiers. So when Uttar is entering in the court, he says that, "Father, I bow down to you." Then his father says that, "My son, may you live long." And further he asks a question, "Are the soldiers who performed heroic deeds honored well?" So word meaning, starting is father and Pujitam means worship. Okay, Pujitam here the word meaning is worship, but here we will take it as honor well. Krut karmana, those who perform heroic deeds. Those who perform heroic deeds. Yodha. So when Uttar enters in the assembly, in the court, at that time, king is asking that, are the soldiers who performed heroic deed honored well? Uttar, Pujita. Pujita means they are honored. Pujyatamasya kriyatam puja. Pujyatamasya, the most worthy to be honored. Kriyatam puja. Kriyatam puja. Then he says that let the one who is most worthy to be honored be honored. Raja Putra Kashyap, son whose. Uttar says, Iha atra bhavatah Dhananjayasya. Iha atra bhavatah. Here, the rewarded one, Dhananjay. Dhananjay, the one who is rewarded or who is most worthy to be honored. Uttar, Atha kim? Atha kim? Sorry, Raja says that, Katham Dhananjay Sheti? What? Dhananjay? Uttar, Atha kim? Yes. Atra bhavata smasanata nij dhanuma tuni chakshaya sayate chadaya Bhishmadaya Rupaha Bhagnaha Vayam cha Parirакshitaha. Atha kim? Yes. Atra bhavata smasanata. Smashan means cementorium. Nijdanuma. Nijdanuma means his own bow. Tuni means givers and Chayake means with innumerable arrows. Chadaya Bhishmadaya. Bhishmadaya means king like Bhishma. Nrupaha Bhagnaha. Bhagnaha means were broken. Vayam means we. Parirакshitaha are safe or we are protected. Yes, by taking his own bow, hewers and innumerable arrows from the cementorium, Bhishma and other kings were defeated and we were protected by this rewarded man. See, when Uttar is coming, is entering in the court, king is asking, have you honored those who have performed heroic deed? Uttar says, yes, they were honored, but let the one who is most worthy to be honored be honored. So, king is asking, whose? Son, whose? Dhananjay, the rewarded one who is here. Katham Dhananjay? What? Dhananjay? Then Uttar is telling why Dhananjay is most worthy to be rewarded or honored. And he says that yes, Dhananjay, because he is taking his bow, 2 gewers and innumerable arrows from the cementorium, and Bhishma and other kings were defeated or driven away, and we were protected by this rewarded man. We were protected by this rewarded man means Dhananjay. Raja, evam etata? Is it like this? Bruhanala, prasidatu prasidatu maharaj bhav. Prasidatu prasidatu maharaj bhav. May his majesty be pleased. May his majesty be pleased. Uttara, vyapanayatu shankayam. Uttara says that do away your doubt. See, Brihanala is in the King Virata's kingdom. He is in a disguise as Arjun is in a disguise as Brihanala, but actually he is Arjun. So still the king is not identifying the identity of Arjun. So Uttar is telling that this Brihanala itself is Arjun. Do away your doubts. Vyapanayatu shankayam. Do away your doubt. Ayam eva dhanurdara Dhananjaya. Here is the Dhananjay, the great archer. Dronala says, Yadi aham dhanu Arjuna tarhi ayam Bhimsena. Then now Brihanala is revealing the identity of all the Pandavas and says that if I am Arjun, then this is Bhimsena. Tarhi ayam Bhimsena. Means this is Bhimsena. Ayam Charaja Yudhishthira. And this is King Yudhishthira. Abhimanyu says, Iha ava atra bhavantam me pitara. Iha atra bhavantam me pitara. Here, these are my fathers. Now Abhimanyu got surprised and he says that here, these are my fathers. Ten khalu, then indeed. Ten khalu, then indeed. Na rushyanti. Na rushyanti. Na rushyanti means do not get angry. Maya shipta asanta cha. When insulted by me. They were laughing. Hasanta chipanti mamu. Drishtaya grograhanam swantam pitaro yena darshita. Yea, luckily the seizure of cows or the stealing of cows ended well, and it shows me my father. It shows me my father. Further, iti kramena sarvana pranamati. Iti kramena. So likewise in the order he bowed down to all. Sarve tasmin ashirvadam vadanti, and all of them are giving blessings to him, means to the Abhimanyu. Here our lesson is over. You can note down the word meaning in your